Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been looking for an eyeliner that promises to stay put through anything, from an early morning to a late night, then today's product just might be the one for you. We're talking about the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Grip Precision Felt Eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner is designed for long-lasting wear with a smudge-resistant, waterproof formula that gives you precision in every stroke. Whether you're a makeup novice or a beauty enthusiast, precision is key when it comes to eyeliner, and this product promises just that. The first thing that stands out about this eyeliner is its impressive formula. It's advertised as offering up to 30 hours of wear, which is pretty remarkable, especially for a liquid eyeliner. With its waterproof and smudge-resistant properties, you can rest assured that your look will stay intact no matter the weather, sweat, or tears. We've all had those days. Let's talk about the applicator. The felt tip is not just precise, it's also easy to grip, making it much more manageable for anyone looking to create those sharp, defined lines. The eyeliner glides on smoothly, and what I love is how it doesn't skip or leave streaks behind. For someone like me, who's a perfectionist when it comes to eye makeup, this makes a huge difference. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, so it's suitable for those with sensitive eyes. In terms of shades, L'Oreal offers 5 hyperpigmented options, including blue, black, green, brown, and gray. I tested out the black, which is rich and intense, delivering that bold, dramatic look you want from a liquid liner. The color stays true all day without fading, which is something I truly appreciate in a longwear formula. But let's be honest, a product can claim to be smudge-resistant and waterproof, but how well does it actually perform when put to the test? I wore this eyeliner through a long day, and it didn't budge, smudge, or fade one bit. I even did a little tear test because, life happens, and it stayed in place. No panda eyes here. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things worth mentioning. First, while the applicator is easy to control, it can take a bit of practice to get that super sharp cat eye look, especially if you're new to liquid liners. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, while it's highly long-lasting, removing it at the end of the day requires a good makeup remover. It's waterproof for a reason. Value for money? The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Grip Precision Felt Eyeliner is definitely a solid choice for those looking for a high-performance long-wear eyeliner. Given its lasting power and reliable application, I think it's fairly priced for what you're getting. Comparing this to other waterproof eyeliners on the market, there are a few that offer similar performance, but the precision of the felt tip and the range of shades really set this one apart. If you're looking for a dependable eyeliner that won't let you down during the day, this is definitely one to consider. The build quality of the eyeliner is excellent. The sleek packaging is compact and feels sturdy in hand. I've had no issues with the product drying out, and the grip of the packaging really does make it easier to apply. As for customer support, L'Oreal has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful. I haven't had a direct need to contact them for this particular product, but I have used their customer service before, and it was very helpful. If you're on the hunt for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are other waterproof eyeliners out there, but the performance and precision that L'Oreal offers might justify the price. If you're after something similar, you might want to explore other products within the L'Oreal Infallible range, especially if you like their long-wear formulas. To wrap it up, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Grip Precision Felt Eyeliner lives up to its claims. It's long-lasting, waterproof, and delivers precise, smudge-resistant lines. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable eyeliner that can withstand the busiest of days. I highly recommend it to those who want a hassle-free, all-day eyeliner that can stand the test of time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.